Hey YouTube, Aaron here from Sibling Rivalry. Today we're going to be doing a advent calendar special. So this is a awesome Lego City brand advent calendar. I've been wanting one of these, not this exact model, but like a very similar one. Essentially Lego's been doing the advent calendars for like 20 years, and I've been wanting to build one of these or to get the advent calendar since I was a little kid. So over the summer, we managed to find one for a really like scary low price, and we were like worried that there were parts missing. Checked everything, everything's in there. So what we're going to be doing for this to celebrate Advent and Christmas coming, every day we're going to do one of the mini kits out of here for the next 24 days. So make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell for notifications so you know when we upload the videos. We should be doing one every day, and we'll be doing regular content on top of that. So let's get started. All right. So the bulk of this actually hasn't been opened, so I'm going to have to just slice this. I'm just using a multi-tool card. So we're going to be using a multi-tool card. Let me get that there. So it's got a bunch of different tools on it. I got this at, I think, Indigo, but you can get them on Amazon. They've got all sorts of different variants of it. I had a Zoo Tools or something like that brand one for a while that Val got me. But it went missing mysteriously. Okay, so like a lot of the other advent calendar playset sort of things, the front flops down, or the flap comes down, and it's a playset. So you have this set up like on a table or something if you're a kid, and then you do the kits each day. So there's day one. So I'm gonna open this up. And in case you're skeptical, we're actually going to be filming these each day of the month, or each of the 24 days. So we're filming it the day of, editing and posting it, unlike some channels where they will... Siri's going off now. Siri. I need to recalibrate Siri. But unlike some channels, as I was saying, where they film all of them and then release them one video at a time, we're going to be doing this real time. So I'm going to take this out. I don't know if these come with instructions or what. Oh, the instructions are on the flap. Helps when you got someone behind the camera who can see this stuff. So it's a little spaceship. That's pretty cool. So it's really simple instructions. Let's get this opened, and of course you got to make as much crinkling sound as possible for the lapel mic. So there we go. All right. So, runaway thruster. Okie dokie. So we're going to take this guy, which I think is usually like a stoplight piece. See if we can get that up close to the camera. And that's going to be like the thruster body, I guess. So I'm going to take this, you plug in one of the little thruster pegs. Then you put these little clippy bits on. There's probably like special names for every single component. I've been doing Lego since I was like able to breathe. So I don't know exactly if there's specific terms, but I know certain people in the community are like really they're like zealous about this stuff. So just doing that. Let's see if we can get this on camera. So the bottom is mostly built there. We're just going to put the little cone guy on the end. Even that is kind of a cool little spaceship almost on its own. So then we put in these little 1 unit angle bits. Let's see if we can get that. So those guys. And this hat is reminding me of what it was like to have long hair. If you knew me in high school, you would have known that I had like hair down to like here. that's a whole story. We might go into that in another video. Okay, so the base is all built there. Now we're gonna build the little shuttle part. So you put the 3 peg on top of the 4 peg, black one, and then on top of that you put the 2 peg. And we just kind of build it this way. It looks like it might come with an extra piece. I know Lego's kind of, since they had a, not so much a takeover, but like a transition in the mid-2000s, they started doing quality control a lot harder, and they're including extra pieces. So when you pay for a Lego kit, yeah, you pay out the butt for the kit, but you're also guaranteed that you're gonna have all the parts in there, and there's not gonna, you'll have extras of like the little fiddly bits. So yeah, I think that is that. So built this little rocket ship. If you're watching this, Chris Hadfield, yeah, so we got like 4 or 5 extra pieces. We'll just set those aside. I'm sure we can either build something ourselves, or maybe this is one of those ones where like one of them uses extra pieces. So yeah, that about covers it for today. Let us know down below if there's something that you liked out of the video, or if there's an advent calendar that you've been eyeing yourself, or like you've dreamed about as a child. I know WERA from Germany, they're a tool company, they have a tool advent calendar, which is a cool concept. You can get ones for like different toy systems and stuff like that. So yeah, let us know down below what you think. Please like if you liked it, share, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Make sure you ring the bell for notifications, because like I said, we're gonna have a new one up tomorrow for the 2nd day here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.